Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Oyaore, oimore, iriyo nade kumora mora ma intie, kamora mora ma intie. Erokamano kuom donjo e mbui mar Luo English Dictionary. To kawuono wane book mar 4. We are on the 4th book. Wapuonjore somo. We are learning how to read. So we are on the 4th book. And good evening wherever you are, good morning wherever you are, and welcome to the channel. So let's read about house. So I just did a small version of the house, and I want us to read something small about the house. And of course, I appreciate your comments. At the comment section, please leave a comment, leave your suggestions, and I'll really appreciate. We are using your suggestions to make these videos better. And we really appreciate what you're talking about. Good. So as usual, I'll just take 30 seconds I don't want to talk to myself. And as soon as I confirm that, we shall move on. Yeah, I see we are live now. Good. Koro wachakuru gi somo weche mag ot. Let's talk about the house. Wuon ot maduong'. Wuon Onyango gero ot maduong'. That means Onyango's father is building a house. Od wuon Onyango ni. Od wuon Onyango ni kod kor kabudho, kor nindo, ma bende waluongo ni kachiena, kor tedo, kor kaluok, kod ot matin. I'll take that again. Od wuon Onyango ni kod kor kabudho, kor nindo, ma bende waluongo ni kachiena, kor tedo, kor kaluok, kod ot matin. So then that only means kor budho would be the living room, and then kor nindo. Some people say kachiena. Kor nindo is a bedroom. Then kitchen is kor katedo. Then od luok is bathroom, and then ot matin is a toilet. Ot matin is basically translated to small house. Od wuon Onyango oger kod matafari. Bang'e to opake kod rangi marakwar. Od wuon Onyango oger kod matafari. Bang'e to opake kod rangi marakwar. Okay. Ot maduong' mani kod dho udi abiriyo kadhi nyime. Ot maduong' en ot mani kod dho udi abiriyo kadhi nyime. Okay. Odgi Onyango ni kod otuchi 38 ka oriw gi duto. Odgi Onyango ni kod otuchi 38 ka oriw gi duto. Now, sometimes we say Drisa in Luo, but Drisa is actually Swahili. So the correct name is Otuchi because it was the part of the house. Remember, Otuchi was a part of the house that was actually the hole that was in the front of the hut. And that's where the name comes from. Okay? Dier odgi olos kod simiti. Dier od kor katedo to pok gitieko loso. Dier odgi olos kod simiti. dier od korka tedo to pok gitieko loso. So the inside of the living room is cemented, but the kitchen floor is unfinished. Dier od korka tedo. That means the kitchen. The kitchen floor. Pok gitieko loso. Tok odgi opidhe chamama. Chamama awinj mono thuol dak e bath ot. Now the reason why I put this sentence like this is so that you see the usage of the mono. Because you can say mono. Mono has many meanings. So in this case, it is deters. Tok odgi opidh e chamama. Chamama awinjo ni mono thuol dak e bath ot. Nyim ot opange kite nyaka but rangach. Nyim ot opange kite nyaka but rangach. Okay? E bath ot oger od gweno kod yien. E bath ot oger od gweno kod yien. E bath ot oger od gweno kod yien. Ute ma ni e aluora margi Onyango bende oger kod matafari. Ute ma aluora margi Onyango bende oger kod matafari. Tadogi ogo kod mabati. Ute manie aluora margi Onyango bende oger kod matafari. Tadogi ogo kod mabati. Okay. Kiny abiro dhi e odgi Onyango penjo wuongi ni negigero odno gi ndalo adi. Kiny abiro dhi e odgi Onyango penjo wuongi ni negigero odno gi ndalo adi. Good. So that is the end of today's reading. And thank you so much, those who tuned in. Achieng, Jackie, you're saying you're doing a great job. Thank you so much. Anne, you're saying great. Thank you. Karen, thank you. Anomolo, hey, thank you. I can see you. And everyone else who tuned in to Facebook and Twitter, I cannot see all of you at the moment, but thank you so much for joining us and for supporting this channel. Now, those who requested for the book yesterday's book, I sent all of you the book. So if you want this book, practice, please send an email to the email that I've just displayed on the screen. And then I will be able to send it instantly to you, and then you can practice reading. Remember, this is a reading show. So every day we shall be reading for about 10 days so that you know how to read. Reading